Hello and welcome back to our daily Linux challenge. Today, we are diving deep into server security by configuring the firewall. The goal is simple, but critical. We need to open a specific TCP port, port 8088, on our backup server to allow incoming traffic. This is a common requirement when deploying new applications or services. First things first, we need to access the target server, the backup server. We use SSH to log in as the specified user, Clint. Once we're in, we immediately switch to the root user using sudo -i, as modifying the firewall requires elevated privileges. Before adding any rules, it's good practice to know which firewall zone we are working with. We use the firewall-cmd get default zone command. The server confirms we are in the public zone. Since this is the default and typically correct zone for a server exposed to a network, we can move straight to adding our rule. Now, let's open the port. We use firewall-cmd again. We specify the port, 8088, and the protocol, TCP. Crucially, we use the permanent flag. This flag tells the firewall configuration to write this rule to the disk. So, if the server ever restarts, the port remains open. We must reload the firewall. Why? Because the permanent flag only writes the rule to the saved configuration files. It does not activate it in the live, running firewall service. The reload command instantly reads those saved files and applies the new rule without needing a full system reboot. Reload successful. Port 8088 is now immediately open and also saved for all future bootups. Mastering the permanent and reload steps is key to firewall management. If this video helped you pass the task, please leave a like and subscribe for more daily Linux solutions. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.